Hi everybody, this is Peter Tusick, Brand Ambassador of Blindness Products for Humanware, and I'm coming at you with another snapshot tutorial video on the Brailliant BI X series. In particular, in this video, we're going to look at connecting our Brailliant BI 40X to Wi-Fi. The Brailliant BI 40X will connect to 2.4 as well as 5 gigahertz network. So that's very important. You can certainly connect to either of those network types, and I'm going to walk us through how that is done. I am on the main menu. You can start this from anywhere because we're going to be using the global command of space with O to enter the options menu. So I'm going to press space with the letter O. And at this point, I will be placed into my options menu, and I'm going to press the letter W until I move to the Wi-Fi option. So I will press W, my Braille display says Wi-Fi, and I'm going to press enter. Once I press enter, by default, if you're doing this for the first time, your Wi-Fi will be off. So your Braille display will say Wi-Fi off. We're going to press enter on that option that says Wi-Fi off. We will see the loading message, and then we will receive a Wi-Fi on message, which tells us that our Wi-Fi is now turned on. So again, I just pressed enter on Wi-Fi off and it turned it on. Now I'm going to press my next thumb key or my space bar, and I will see that there is an option that says status. So if you are connected, you can look at the status of your Wi-Fi connections. And if I press my next thumb key or space bar again, I will see a new connection option, and this is what I want to select. Going to press enter on this new connection option. And our first option here will say scan for SSID. You also have the options here, if you press your spacebar, of WPS connection. So if you do have a router with a WPS button, you can push that and connect that way. Or if you have a hidden router, there is a manually connect option in this menu as well. But again, I'm just going to press enter on the scan for SSID option. I will see the loading message followed by my networks that are found. So once your networks appear, they will be shown in this list. I'm going to press enter on my preferred network, and I will receive a password prompt, and you will feel an edit box immediately after the word password and with a cursor in that edit box. This is very important. Your cursor will determine the grade of Braille you're going to use for this password. If you have a 2-dot cursor, it's going to be your literary Braille grade. Again, if you have a 1-dot cursor, this is going to be entered using computer Braille. So this password is entered in your preferred Braille code. So you can press backspace with G if you would like to toggle between the available Braille codes. I am going to enter my password here. And once I have entered my password, I'm going to press enter. We will receive a loading message again, followed by 3 dots that will kind of alternate. We will hear a double beep if we have beeps enabled, and we will receive a message on our Braille display that says connection successful. At this point, I can press enter, and I am good to go. Now I can tap my home button and return to the main menu, and I am connected to Wi-Fi. Again, the reason why we would want to connect to Wi-Fi is going to be to work with our online services at launch, those being NFB Newsline here in the United States, NLS Bard for the Braille catalog, as well as Bookshare. And also, we want to be connected to Wi-Fi to check for updates. We can update the device over wireless internet. We can also update it via USB, but we can certainly do so over Wi-Fi, and it's very nice because we're going to be launching features as we move forward with this really cool, exciting new BI X series of products, and we want you to be able to update them online. So thank you, everybody. I will be back with more videos, and we hope you find this helpful. Thank you.